looking at the sun is harmful to your eyes at any time, partial eclipse or no. The danger that a partial solar eclipse poses is simply that it may prompt people to gaze at the sun, something they wouldn't normally do. The result can be eclipse blindness, a serious eye injury that can leave temporary or permanent blurred vision or blind spots at the center of your view. Fortunately, there are many easy ways to watch the show safely. Pinhole projection. The simplest safe way to view a partial solar eclipse is to watch the sun's image projected onto a piece of paper. Poke a small hole in an index card with a pencil point, face it toward the sun, and hold a second card 3 or 4 feet behind it in its shadow. The hole will project a small image of the sun's disk onto the lower card. This image will go through all the phases of the eclipse, just as the real sun does. Experiment with different size holes. A large hole makes the image bright but fuzzy, a small hole makes it dim but sharp. Note that pinhole projection does not mean looking at the sun through a pinhole. Also note that pinhole projection is not useful for observing the total phase of a total solar eclipse. The projected image would be too faint to see. During totality, when it suddenly gets very dark, it is perfectly safe to look directly at the eclipsed sun. However, if you want to see all phases of this solar eclipse, we have included a link to a video in the description of this video that explains how to safely view this solar eclipse. Thank you for watching.